สวัสดีค่ะ hello everyone. Okay, now is evening in Thailand is 7 p.m. But I think in European zone at about 1 a.m. But what time in US zone? US zone now is 5:30 and 8:30. Okay, good morning for US zone and good afternoon for European zone. Asian zone now you're faster than Thailand about 1 hour, right? Okay, so anyway, this evening I will cook something that very good for your health. It's very good for this situation because I'm gonna cook fingerroot or ginseng in cold press drinking. Okay, that's very important for your health because I think we should drink some herbs, some spice for our health in this time. Now alcohol or some sweet drinking, this is not trend anymore. Okay, so we see. I forgot this knife and the chopping board. Okay, so today these ingredients maybe it is easy to find in your country, or some ingredients maybe just only in Thailand. This fingerroot, okay, fingerroot. You see, come closer. Fingerroot is very easy to find in Thailand. I never seen this one in Western country and in other country in Southeast Asia or in Asia. But in Thailand it's very easy to find. But in your country you can find ginger. Okay, ginger. That's why today we have two optional. This for easy for me and also this easy for me too. But if you have no fingerroot, you can use ginseng because both of them is good for blood circulation and good for blood pressure and yeah, it make your body heat up. Okay, and we see the ingredients. This one again, if you have no Thai ginseng or fingerroot, use ginger and then lime. Okay, lime or lemon. Okay. If you have lemon, you use lemon. If you have lime, you use lime. Cook Thai food in your kitchen, not only in my kitchen. And then honey. Okay, I use white honey. Okay, and water. Try to show water. I have to find the cold water. Okay. Okay. Can you find ginseng in your country? Can you find it? If you can find it, it's very good. Who can find it? You can tell me, and you can tell me where you from if you can find the Thai ginseng. Okay, because it's very difficult to find the Thai ginseng or fingerroot in other country. If you can find, you can share for other people to find this as well because it's very good. It's super food, super Thai food. Thai people use this one is for the main ingredients of the curry. It tastes quite spicy and hot, but ginger is hotter. It's hotter. Okay, so if you have no this one, use this. It's okay, and we use slow juicer. Slow juicer. If you have no slow juicer like this for cold place, anyway, you can use this one. Okay, easy for you. Maybe it's easy for you, but it's this one quite expensive for Thai people. Okay, but I'm sure in your country it's easy to find. But if you have not this one, use this one or smash it in the mortar. Okay, so we start to do this ginseng. If you have this one, put ginger in your machine. I put this ginseng just about 100 gram, just 100 gram. Because I will put do for my 1 glass, okay, ginseng. And then switch on. Okay, come here, closer. See? This concentrate ginseng juice, very, very concentrate. Smell, the aroma is so good. Okay. Then I will put this glass is for 2 tablespoons. This for 2 tablespoons. Put yes, 100 gram of ginseng is about 2 tablespoons. I will taste it. Actually, if you can drink like this, you can do. But even I'm Thai, this is too strong. I prefer tequila actually. But this green smell and okay, this is healthy, but it's not tasty. So we need to do something more. This one, and then we put in the about 2 tablespoons. Put in the glass. Then you can put in here or in here, that's okay. About 2 tablespoons again. I'm not used to, okay. Oh, this one is not so much juice. ไม่ค่อยมีน้ำ Oh, okay. Not so much juice. I put inside is better. Okay. One lamb again. About 2 tablespoons again. Ginseng about 100 grams is for 2 tablespoons. And lamb is about 2 tablespoons as well. Okay, we put it inside. Okay, if we eat early, the ginseng is it's not tasty. Anyway, okay, I have extra protein, something inside, some insect inside, okay. And then honey, I use the rest one. Honey is sweet or not, this depends on you, but honey is make all the juices more, more harmony. Okay, I put this like this better. I put about 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Then mix together. Mix together like this, and then cold water or soda is okay. Stir it again. you feel you're healthy and immediately you feel your everything good. Aroma from ginseng and the sour from lime, and it's not too sweet, but honey is make all the flavor mix together. It's good, and you can make a lot and put in the bottle and leave in refrigerator. You can leave it for a few days. But for me, I like to do day by day. But if you have not much time, you can do many bottles and 3 days maximum. But some Thai people say you can do for a week. But if you leave for too long time, the aroma of the ginseng is away and the flavor, you lose some flavor. It's the best quality of the cold pressed juice. You should eat immediately after you do it. This is ginseng, Thai ginseng. Again, in the same way, use ginger, put in the slow juicer, and then for 2 tablespoons, and then lime juice 2 tablespoons, honey, same way. It's good, I'm sure. Okay. Don't forget to tell me and share for everyone if you can find the Thai ginseng or fingerroot in your place or in any place in Asia except Thailand, or in US, in Europe. For other people can do together. We can share something together. And this time, I'm not sure this one is against the coronavirus or not, but it's very healthy, very good benefit. Why not? It's better you drink some cold drink some spice like this. Like this is best for your health. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.